Hi everyone, my name is Jenny Shickley, and today I'm going to be talking about how to embed a live conference request Google form into your office hours link. I'll show you how to do this on both Canvas and Google Classroom. So here we have the homepage to my Canvas classroom, and everyone already has a link to their office hours. You just need to click that. I already have this set up. So I'm going to show you what this looks like when it's done. So here are my office hours page, and you'll see that I have some information at the top, and then it's embedded this form for students to request a conference with me. And the really nice thing about that form is that once they submit it, I have it set up so it automatically emails me as well. So how do we get this to work? Well, I'm going to go to the basic office hours page that everyone has set up. I've duplicated mine so that I would still have this in my pages. And if this is what your office hours page looks like, you merely click Edit. And you delete this extra information. You might want to save this PDF that is clicked here before you remove everything, but it will also be in your sandbox just in case. And I'm just going to take this stuff out and replace it with a little message about being available through email and, filling out the Google request form. So to do the Google request form, I already have one created, and everyone will have access to this, and you can make a copy for yourself and change it as you see fit. But I merely need to go in and edit it however I want. I could change the days that I'm offering to do a conference. The time of day could be more specific or less. But when I'm done editing the conference request form, I just have to click Send. And this link here is for an embed code. And I want to copy that embed code. And I want to go back to my Canvas classroom. And I want to click the Insert Media button and then the Embed tab. And I'm going to paste my embed code right there and click OK. And you'll see that it automatically placed the Google form directly into my office hours link. But how do I get the email when a student fills it out? Once you've created and edited your form the way you want it to be, just click the Responses tab, go to the three dots, and enable Get Email Notifications for Responses. So you'll see now that that is a check marked. So now whenever a student fills that out, you will automatically get an email to your school email letting you know that someone has requested a conference, and then you can work through students' email to set that conference up if necessary. Then I just click Save, and it will have all that information saved for the student view. I'm going to hit Cancel really quickly just because I want to keep my template in place. Now I'm going to walk you through how to do this with Google Classroom. Okay, so if you have a Google Classroom, this is just a generic classroom that I've made so that I can highlight and show people things. There's some training information on here as well. So I go to Classwork, and I want to create material. And that's the difference. You don't want to make it an assignment. You want this to just be something that students can have linked. And I'll say conference request. And maybe I put in directions here. Then I'm going to click Add from Google Drive. And I'm going to select the conference request form. I want to make sure that I have this under my office hours topic in my classwork tab. And then I click Post. And now you can see that students would have whatever instructions you would give them, and when they click it, it would open that tab. It's still already set up to email you directly once they fill it out. So I hope that was helpful to you, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me